In this video, we are going to find the equation of a straight line. Under that, we are going to first find the equation of a straight line when the intercept of its graph and the coordinates of a point on the graph are given. So, our graph is in the form of y equals mx plus c, and they are giving us the intercept. That means they give us the value of c and another coordinates of a point on the graph. Now suppose they are giving us the intercept of the graph is 3, that means c is equal to 3, and they are giving us a point, a coordinate 2, 7, and ask us to find the equation of this straight line. As this point is on the line, we can substitute the y and the x coordinate to this equation. So if I get this point as the x coordinate and this as the y coordinate, now I can substitute the values. Y is equal to 7, m times x is equal to 2, and c is equal to 3 because they have given the intercept is equal to 3. Now I can write 7 equals 2m plus 3. To remove this 3, I am going to subtract 3 from both the sides. Then I get 2m plus 3 minus 3. 4 is equal to 2m. Therefore, when you divide both the sides by 2, you will get m is equal to 2. Now you know the value of c and the value of m. So I can write down the equation of this straight line by substituting the values of m and c. Therefore, the equation of the graph will be y equals 2x plus 3. So let's move on to the second instance of finding the equation of a straight line. Here you are going to find the equation of the straight line which passes through two given points. Now they are giving us 2 points on the graph. Suppose these 2 are the points. One point is the coordinates of one point is 1, 7, and the coordinates of the other point will be 3, 15. Now, if you know 2 points on the graph, you know how to find the gradient of this graph. So the formula to find the gradient is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. If I name this as x1, y1, x2, y2, now I can substitute the values. M is equal to y2 means 15, y1 is 7, x2 is 3, x1 is 1. 15 minus 7 is 8, 3 minus 1 is 2. When you divide 8 by 2, the answer will be 4. That means the gradient of the graph will be 4. Now I have to find the value of c. Now they have given 2 points. I can select any of these 2 points. If I take the point 3, 15, I can substitute the values for this formula y equals mx plus c, where the value of x is 3 and the value of y is 15 because this point is on the graph. Now I am going to substitute the values. Y is equal to 15. Earlier we found m is equal to 4. Therefore 4 times 3 plus 3. 15 equals 12 plus c. When you subtract 12 from both the sides, you will get c is equal to 3. Now you have found the value of m and c. So I can substitute the values to the formula y equals mx plus c and write down the equation of this straight line. Y equals 4x plus 3.